walked hand in hand, down the halls between classes, down neighborhood streets, and the halls at the home. And the love that they shared still lives on in his heart, and in pictures that hang over her favorite chair. For their lifetime of love that began with a spark was fanned into flames, consuming the heart. And the secret, he says, is to love with abandon, forgive one another again and again. Don't focus on faults, set your mind on the blessings, and love like your love will be gone at day's end. He thanks the good Lord every day as the dawn breaks for the beauty that stood by his side through the years. And as the sun sets in a world now so lonely, he thanks him again that her love is still near. And then with a spark that still lights up his eyes, in a room cold and dark, long before the sunrise, he looks to the heavens and whispers his praise, that the love of his life waits to see him today. And in only a moment, their first love transcends, as what lingered as coals becomes flame once again. Now the lifetime of love that began with a spark is an eternal flame living on in their hearts. And the secret, he says, was to love with abandon, forgiving each other again and again. Instead of the faults, they focused on blessings, and the love that they love now lives on with no end.